So in this video I'm going to discuss different ways of utilizing the LP1000 scale in relation to the programmed items and just weighing in things that are not programmed. I can put something on the scale and just indicate its price, and then just print a label, in which case it will give me the information that I have printed, but it won't give me the item information. And what I mean by item information is, for example, I already have this scale programmed in, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a PLU number 1 and print. And in this case, it tells me that this is T-bones. T-bones versus nothing, right? And so what's the difference really? Well, in this case it prints a barcode 2 followed by 50, and so I could then utilize my Clover, right? And with the use of the variable price barcode parser, I can basically navigate to inventory here. And let's take a look at both of these. So I have 2 followed by 4 zeros by a 1, right? So that's going to be my T-bones, although in my inventory it's something else. And then I have this item that's not basically programmed. Well, I do. I have it programmed as miscellaneous item, right? And so that's the way to do it. So when I use a PLU on the scale, it gives me this kind of barcode, and when I don't use a PLU and just indicate the price, it gives me this kind of barcode. Then let me go to register here, and I can scan this item, and there it is. It picks it up as miscellaneous and also automatically triggers a discount, but that's unrelated to what I'm trying to demonstrate here. And here's our T-bones, but that one is gonna register as something else, 1223. And so that's basically the way that you can utilize your scale without having to program every individual item on the scale. But then you won't know what it is that you're scanning. Everything is gonna come across as a miscellaneous item, but it will pick up the price, okay?